Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Morning English Talk.
Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. Today, we're not in the studio. We're at a travel agency.
Yes, we thought this would be the perfect place for today's topic, travel plans.
Exactly. We'll talk about places we want to visit, things we like to do when traveling, and how to describe our travel plans in English.
Because everyone loves vacations, right?
Absolutely. So let's dream a little together.
So, Leo, do you like traveling?
Oh, I love it. Traveling is one of my favorite things in life.
Me too. There's something magical about discovering new places.
Totally. Where do you want to go next?
I think my dream destination is Italy.
Italy. That's a great choice.
Yes, I want to see Rome, Venice, Florence, eat pizza and gelato every day.
That sounds perfect. I went there once, and the food really is amazing.
Lucky you! What about you, Leo? Where would you like to travel next?
I really want to go to Japan
Oh, wow. Why Japan?
because I love the culture, the food, the technology, and the calm way people live there.
Yes, Japan looks beautiful. I'd love to see the cherry blossoms in spring.
And I want to eat sushi every day.
Of course you do.
So Emma, let's imagine you're booking your trip to Italy. What do you need to do first?
First, I need to choose the dates. Maybe next summer. Then I'll look for plane tickets and hotel.
Good. And will you travel alone or with someone?
I think with a friend. It's more fun to share the experience.
Definitely. I like traveling with friends too. It makes every moment better.
And you, Leo? How do you plan your trips?
I usually check flight prices first, then I look for places to visit. I like making a small list. What to see, what to eat, and what to do.
Organized traveler.
Yeah, I like to be prepared, but sometimes I also just explore without a plan.
That's the best part. Getting lost in a new city can lead to amazing discoveries. Let's talk about favorite types of destinations. Do you prefer cities or nature?
I love both, but I think I prefer nature. I enjoy hiking, beaches, mountains, and quiet places.
Interesting. I think I'm more of a city person. I love museums, cafes, and shopping streets.
Yeah, you like the vibe and culture.
Exactly. When I travel, I always visit art museums and local coffee shops.
I love that too, but after 2 days in the city, I need fresh air and space.
So you're the mountain guy and I'm the city girl.
Perfect team.
Okay, Emma, question. Are you a light packer or a heavy packer? I wish I could say light, but no, I always pack too much.
I knew it. How many suitcases do you usually take?
Just one big one and a carry-on, but somehow it's always full.
I'm the opposite. I travel with one backpack.
Seriously? How?
I just take what I really need. One pair of jeans, a few t-shirts, and my camera.
Wow, that's impressive. I always think, maybe I'll need this, and end up packing everything.
That's classic. You never know, right?
Exactly, and I always bring snacks too, just in case.
Snacks are never a bad idea. Do you remember your first trip, Leo?
Yes. It was when I was 10 years old. My family went to the beach for the first time.
That must have been amazing.
Oh, yes. I remember building sandcastles and eating ice cream every day.
Sounds perfect. My first trip was to the countryside. My grandparents lived there, and it was full of animals and big trees.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. That's when I learned to love traveling, discovering new places, even small ones.
I think every trip teaches us something, don't you?
Absolutely. You learn about other cultures, but also about yourself.
Well said, Emma.
So, quick question. Beach or mountains?
Beach. I love the sea, the sound of the waves, the sand, everything.
I knew it. And I'll say mountains.
Of course, you love hiking and quiet places.
Yes, being up high and looking at the view, it feels peaceful.
I love that too, but nothing beats a swim in the ocean.
True. Maybe we should plan a beach and mountain trip together.
Great idea. We'll have the best of both worlds. All right, let's play a little role. You're the travel agent, and I'm the customer.
Sounds fun. Good morning. Welcome to Leo's Travel Dreams. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a trip to Italy, please.
Wonderful. When would you like to travel?
In July for 1 week.
Great. And will you travel alone or with someone?
With a friend. We'd like a nice hotel near the city center.
Perfect. Let me check. We have a lovely hotel near the Colosseum in Rome.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It includes breakfast and a city tour.
Perfect. How much is it?
For 2 people, it's $950 per person.
That's not bad at all. Let's book it.
Excellent choice. You're going to have the best trip ever.
Thanks, Mr. Leo.
When you travel, do you plan everything or do you prefer to be spontaneous?
I like having a few plans, maybe the main activities, but I also like to leave some time free.
Same here. Too much planning can be stressful.
Exactly. You need space for surprises.
Yes, sometimes the best moments happen when you have no plan at all.
Like finding a hidden cafe or a street musician.
Or meeting new friends while exploring.
That's what makes travel special, the unexpected magic.
Okay, friends, let's practice some travel sentences together.
Repeat after us if you can. I want to travel to Italy.
I'm going to visit Japan next year.
I need to buy plane tickets.
I will stay in a hotel near the beach.
I love traveling with my friends.
I'm going to take lots of pictures.
I want to try local food.
I'm packing my suitcase tonight.
I'm going to the airport early in the morning.
I can't wait for my next trip.
Great job, everyone. You're ready to talk about your travel plans in English.
Me too. Talking about travel always makes me want to pack my bags.
So where are you going first?
Maybe Italy. I still can't stop thinking about gelato.
And I'm going to Japan for sushi, of course.
We're such food travelers.
That's true, but remember, travel isn't only about food. It's about dreams, experiences, and memories.
Beautifully said, Liso. And for everyone listening, where do you want to travel next?
Think about it and practice your English while dreaming.
And in our next lesson, we'll keep dreaming, but about something a little bigger.
That's right. We'll talk about your future plans, not just travel, but life, work, and goals.
It's going to be an inspiring lesson, so don't miss it.
Thanks for joining us today, travelers.
Safe travels, everyone.
See you in Lesson 20. Bye.